Okay, so let's start. So for today, I'll be explaining about classifying system of units. So there are three categories: the MKS system, CGS system, and the FPS system. For the MKS system, we have meter, kilogram, and second. For the CGS system, we have centimeter, gram, and second. For the FPS system, we have foot, pound, and second. So 1 feet, it is equals to 12 inch. 1 meter, it is equals to 3.28 feet. 1 kilogram, it is equals to 2.2 pounds. 1 yard, it is equals to 3 feet. 1 inch, it is equals to 2.54 centimeter. 1 mile, it is equals to 5,280 feet. 1 slug, it is equals to 14.59 kilogram. So these are the table of distance, mass, speed, acceleration, force or weight, density, pressure, work or energy, and power in the MKS, CGS, and FPS form. So first, in the MKS form, distance is meter, mass, kilogram, speed, meter per second, acceleration, meter per second squared, force or weight, Newton, are equals to kilogram meter per second squared, density, kilogram per meter cubic, pressure, PA or pascals, equals to Newton per meter squared, work or energy, joule, equals to Newton times meter, or kilogram meter squared per second squared. Power, watt or joule divided by second, or kilogram meter squared per second cubic. So for the CGS form, distance is centimeter, mass, gram, speed, centimeter per second, acceleration, centimeter per second squared, force or weight, dyne, or gram centimeter per second squared, density, gram per centimeter cubic, pressure, dyne per centimeter square, work or energy, Earth, equals to gram centimeter squared per second squared, and power, Earth per second, or gram centimeter squared per second cubic. So for the FPS form, in distance it's feet, mass, slug, speed, feet per second, acceleration, feet per second squared, force or weight, pound or slug feet per second squared, density, slug per feet cubic, pressure, pound per feet squared, work or energy, foot-pound or slug feet squared per second squared, and power, feet-pound per 2 or slug feet squared per second cubic. So here are some examples. So examples number 1. Express 456.5 pascals in FPS. So we know that 1 pascals, it is equals to Newton per meter squared. So 456.5 pascals, it is equals to 456.5 Newton per meter squared. And we know that 1 Newton it is equals to kilogram meter per second squared. So we can write it is equals to 456.5 kilogram meter per second squared over meter squared. Yeah. So we can cancel the meter. So it becomes 456.5 kilogram over meter second squared. Yes. So in order to convert it to FPS, we need to times it. So kilogram, we need to change it to slug. So we know that 1 kilogram, 14.59 kilogram, it is equals to 1 slug. So we can cancel the kilogram, and now we know that 1 meter is equals to 3.28. So we can cancel the meter here. So we times 456.5 times 1 divided by 3.28 feet. So we will get 9.54 slug per feet second squared, because come from here, second squared. So it is already in FPS form, but we can also write it as 9.54 pounds per feet squared. So this is the answer. Okay. So next. So this is the next examples. What is 35.48 erg in FPS? 1 erg it is equals to gram centimeter squared per second squared. So first we will write it as 35.48 gram centimeter squared over second squared. Okay, in order to convert this to FPS, we need to times we need to change the gram to kilogram. So 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 gram. So we can cancel the gram. So 1 kilogram, it is still not in FPS form. So we need to change it to slug. So we know that 14.59 kilogram, it is equals to 1 slug. so we can cancel it out. So now we times centimeter, we need to change it to meter. So 1 meter is to 100 centimeter. So cancel. So it is half square. So I will just write it down here. So we know that 1 meter, it is equals to 3.28 feet. So we will now cancel the meter, and this is square. So we will just cancel. So we will, if we times 35.48 times 3.28 divided by 1000 times 14.59 times 100, we will get an answer of 2.62 times 10 raised to the power of -6 slug feet squared over second squared. Yes. So here, so now we can also write it as 2.62 times 10 raised to the power of -6 slug feet squared per second squared. We can write it as feet pound. So this is the answer. Okay, this is 2. Okay, this is square. Okay, so next we have some question that we can answer together. So 2.75 kilometer per minute to FPS system. So 2, you write it first, 75 kilometer per minute. We need to change kilometers to meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so now we can cancel the meter, and then we know that 1 meter, that is equals to 3.28 feet. So we can cancel it, and we know 1 minute, it is 60 seconds. So 1 minute 60 seconds. So we can cancel it. So now we just need to multiply it all. So 2.75 times 1000 times 3.28 divided by 60 seconds. So we will get divided by 60 seconds, we will get 150.33 feet per second. So now this is the answer in the FPS for our system. Okay. So next question. 3.52 feet-pound to CGS system. And feet-pound, it is equals to slug feet squared per second squared. So we just write 3.52 slug feet squared over second squared. Okay, so we need to change slug feet to kilogram first. So we know that one slug, it is equals to 14.59 kilogram. Okay, so we now can cancel the slug, and we need to convert it to gram. So 1 kilogram, it is equals to 1000 gram. So cancel the kilogram. So feet squared, we need to change it to meter. So 1 meter, it is equals to 3.28 feet squared. So cancel. So I'll just write it down here. Meter, we need to change it to centimeter. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So we can cancel the meter, and then this is square. Okay, so we just need to multiply 3.52 times 14.59 times 1000 times 100 divided by 3.28. So we will get 476,466.39 gram centimeter squared over second squared. We can simplify this and just write 4.77 times 10 raised to the power of 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4.77 times 10 raised to the power of 7 gram centimeter squared over second squared. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, let's move on to the last question. Okay, so 47.71 slug centimeter per hour squared to Newton. So first we write it first. 47.71 slug centimeter over hour squared. So first we need to change slug to kilogram. So we know that one slug is equals to 14.59 kilogram. So we we can cancel it out. So next we need to change centimeter to meter. So 1 meter, it is equals to 100 centimeter. So we can cancel it up. So next, hour to second. So 1 hour, it is equals to 3,600 seconds squared. So we can cancel it out. So now we just need to multiply 47.71 times 14.59 divided by 100 times 3,600. So we will get 696.0889 divided by 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we divide it, we will get 5.37 times 10 raised to the power of negative 7. 5.37 times 10 raised to the power of negative 7 Newton. So this is the answer.